Well, hello, Shay. Let's show everybody how big you're getting. Look at your cute little tail feathers and your little fat booty. Tootie booty. Come here, come this way. Shay got a nice soft new bed, see? Oops, just a minute, Shay. Here's Shay's new bed. Yes. Hey, baby. Aww. Hello, precious. Yes. I know, it's nice and soft and fuzzy, isn't it? Yes. Aww. Aww. Whoop-de-doo. Stay in there. There's no getting out yet. Where are you going? Where are you going now, huh? Oh, my precious baby. Aw. Come here. I don't know. You guys, if you guys were in a nest in the wild, you wouldn't be